And Miss Normani did what she needed to do. Okay, so we cheetah print down. We got the shirt on cheetah print. Ooh, I need to stretch. We got the pants on cheetah print. The house shoes on cheetah print. Hey y'all, it's Jaila, aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back / welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. Today we are gonna come and recreate a makeup look from the #1 trending music video right now. It is the Normani Wild Side video featuring Cardi B. In the spirit of being on the wild side, we went ahead and put on our cheetah print, okay? We got on our little snake earrings. We are ready to take a walk on the wild side. If you want to see this video, go ahead and keep on watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button. I'm bringing you beauty, hair, and lifestyle content on this channel. Also hit that notification bell so you can know anytime I'm posting a new video. Let's get right into it. Today we are going for this look right here. I do want to mention that Priscilla Ono is on the beat. So she is the makeup artist that is responsible for Normani's makeup looks in this music video. If you don't already know, Priscilla Ono is the global makeup artist for Fenty Beauty. I'm assuming, and I think that I will be correct in assuming, that a lot of the products that are on Normani's face are probably Fenty Beauty products. So I'm really going to stick heavy to my Fenty products today. First and foremost, have you seen the video? Hopefully, if you're watching this video, you have already seen. If you like makeup, it's a makeup moment. If you like fashion, it's a fashion moment. If you like dance, it's definitely a dance moment, okay? It's an R&B moment. It's giving you all the moments at one time. So I really do need you to go ahead and watch that video if you haven't already. Okay, y'all, so let's talk about Normani Wild Side. One of the greatest music videos, most certainly the greatest music video that's come out this year. Like easily, hands down, the greatest music video of this year. I will also even say that it's one of the greatest music videos to come out in terms of dance in a very long time, okay? So Normani did exactly what she had to do. I don't know if y'all follow Normani, but I do, and she teased this a couple of months ago actually. So we knew something was coming, we just didn't know when, we didn't know exactly what it was, but I'm so glad that it was this, y'all. I do think that it's appropriate to start off this whole conversation by saying Normani and her team did such a good job at paying homage to Aaliyah with this music video and with the music in general. I'm not a big fashion person, but I very much appreciate when a music video gives a look. I don't know who her stylist is, I don't know who the particular designers that she featured were, but everybody did what they needed to do as regards to fashion in that video, so kudos to them. We can also just talk about the actual song Wild Side. I absolutely love this genre of R&B, like that dark chilled R&B, and Normani really killed that, especially coming from a song like Motivation, which is way more pop, to then come to a song like Wild Side. And it's gonna be one of those songs just like One in a Million that like you just want to listen to and it almost feels timeless. And she snapped on the lyrics, okay? I went ahead and looked at the lyrics on Genius, which are not 100% accurate, by the way. Y'all need to get it together, Genius. Now, I'm usually not this strategic with how I place my powder, but Normani's face is very like chiseled. If I had to pinpoint the most iconic part of this video, or the most iconic element of this video, it's the choreography. It's the dancing, okay? Shout out to Sean Bankhead, who is Normani's choreographer, for putting his whole foot, his whole soul into this music video, okay? Now this means a lot to me because if you don't know, like, I absolutely have loved dance my entire life. I have loved choreography my entire life, so to witness something as great as that music video, that choreography, if I'm not mistaken, he started out on YouTube, and I used to be subscribed to his YouTube channel way back in the day. And he was like one of the first YouTube choreographers that I was just like, okay, there it is right there. And I used to literally like religiously watch his classes, religiously watch his videos. I have not watched him in a while, but as soon as I watched the video, I said, that is Sean Bankhead's choreography. And I remember I went on Twitter and I was just like, who is the choreographer? Is it Sean Bankhead? Because it looks like Sean Bankhead, y'all. And that's just one of the beautiful things about dance in general. Like when you are a choreographer, you have a style. You have your own signature. You have your own fingerprint. Simba, you moving my tripod, move! Sorry, when you are a choreographer, you automatically just have your own fingerprint, and it's just beautiful when people can tell that it's you. And Miss Normani did what she needed to do in that video, okay? We love a dancer. Choreographic piece that she does in the black leather outfit, that's it right there. That's the piece. That's the one. This ain't no TikTok-ish. Looking at the picture, it really doesn't look like she has a whole lot of eyeshadow going on in this picture. It kind of looks like what I naturally do, or what I always do, which is just popping my bronzer and a little bit of contour. So for the eyeshadow, I'm just gonna take my finger and put a little bit of this gold shimmer on my actual lid. We just need something there because she's actually wearing a glossy lid, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not gonna do a glossy lid because I feel like glossy lids are so messy, but I'm gonna try to give the illusion of a glossy lid, and I'll show you how in just a second. I'm gonna use this Fenty Beauty How Many Carats Diamond Balm. I'm also going to like lightly just put this on my lid because when you apply this, you can see that it looks pretty wet. So if it looks wet on my finger, I feel like if I put it in my eyes, it'll give that wet look, and it'll give us like the glossy look without us actually having to put a messy gloss on our lid. Okay, it's giving slightly wet. It's giving a lot of shimmer. That's really cute. Okay. And she does have some underneath her eyebrow as well. All right, y'all, so far so good. I feel like this is going really well, and it's super easy. So one of the biggest elements on Normani's face is her brows. She has pretty thick brows, I would say. They look very natural. What I'm gonna do first is actually make my brow hair stand up with some edge control. That way my brows look a lot thicker than they actually are. And then I'll go in with my brow pencil and actually fill them in to make them, again, look more full than they actually are. Maybe y'all forgot this or didn't even know this. I forgot the girl was in a girl group. I forgot Normani was a part of Fifth Harmony, and now I'm really confused on how she was even able to be in a girl group. Too much of like a superstar to even have been able to have shared the spotlight with multiple people. Okay, y'all, we are almost bringing it together. I am going to go ahead and spray my face. I noticed that Normani's lashes for the most part look pretty natural, so just like she has on mascara, with the exception of the outer like wing, it looks like she has on almost a 3/4 lash. Mascara is on, and now I just need to go in and cut my lashes. All right, y'all, so these are the eyes. I went ahead and did like a half lash on the outside, so it gives me a little bit more flare than I naturally have, but it's not too much because there's nothing on the front. Okay, let's go ahead and finish off the face. Normani looks like she's wearing a burgundy lip. So I'm gonna go ahead and figure something out for my baby hairs, and I'll come back to you with the final wild side look, okay? I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so here is the final look. Let me know what you think of the makeup look in the comment section below. Also, let me know your thoughts on the actual music video. What was your initial reaction to seeing the video? She is such a culture reset, and she knows that, and I love when Black women walk in their power. So Normani, keep walking in your power. Like, so proud just to see Black women doing things, okay? If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also, like this video so that YouTube can share with other people, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.